Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this little fairy garden house. This is the first one I've ever made. I was just kind of experimenting a little bit. I think I might, for my next one, do the roof a little bit differently. I don't know if I quite like how that came out, but it's just like a little glass jar on the inside with a lid, and it screws right on top. And it has like a little welcome mat and a chimney with a couple windows and a door. So if you'd like to see how this is made, then stick around. First, you'll need a jar. Any kind of jar will do, with a screw-off lid. Then you'll need some foil. The colors I'm going to be mixing with my granite clay for the stones are black, green, yellow, brown. And for the stones, it's the granite clay. And then I also use translucent, and I mix all those together in separate batches. Now I'm going to be rolling out some brown to make the door. I'm going to use the same brown to make the window frames. Now I'm just going to be applying some Bacon Bond to the glass. For the roof, I'm going to be filling the inside with foil. going to apply some Bacon Bond before I put the scrap clay on. These are all the colors mixed together with the granite clay and the translucent clay. Then I just chop them into small pieces. Once all the stones are on, I'm going to put the roof on to make sure that it still fits, and then I'll bake. To keep the shape of the chimney while I'm sculpting, I'm going to be using 2 sticks for the inside. Once I'm done, I will take them out. Again, I'm just going to make sure that the roof fits over the chimney.
Place you call here and now.
So this is the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good. I think I'm going to do a series on fairy garden items. I've made a few items before that I sell on my Etsy page. This is the first house I've done, and it's not too bad for my first one, but I think I'm going to do a few more items for this series, so this is going to be the first thing of this series. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Also, check out my Facebook page, my Instagram, and my Etsy page in the description box. Thanks, and see you next time.